This is rock. Is that the socks?
It's socks. Oh, they're Halloween socks.
Look. It's a paper.
Oh, it's a card. And a book.
You read it.
Should we read the card and see who this is from? See who gave you all this stuff? Should we open that? Take the card out. Take the card out. There you go.
It's a doggy.
It's a doggy. We'll open it up.
All 5 sharks are still in, and Sarah and Mike have 3 offers on the table.
Here. Let me read it for you. It says... Okay, well you have to take your clothes off right now. You want me to help you take your shirt off?
Yeah.
Okay, arms up.
My dress.
Okay. Can you take your pants off? Here, just the pants, not the diaper. Although that probably needs to come off too. Alright, put the dress on. This card says, on a scale of 1 to 10. Here. Alright. Yeah. On a scale of 1 to 10, we miss you a million. Hope these clothes fit you. Poppy got you the plane. Love and kisses, Poppy and Gigi. It's from Poppy and Gigi. Up a little bit higher, right here.
The reason you should listen is nobody goes up faster, more along the sales networks than I do.
I have dress. I did it.
You did it. You look so cute. Look. Oh, it's so cute.
Can you say thank you, Poppy and Gigi? Nope. That wasn't going to work.
It's a puppy.
Oh, Poppy and Gigi sent all this stuff for you. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.